An afternoon, temperatures today soaring into the 60s. Normally we should be at 38 degrees. Now, nowhere near records. Our records are sitting in the low 70s on today, but still a very nice day. And talk about a beautiful evening, or at least a start to the evening. Look at our view right now from Honda of Lincoln, getting some beautiful colors out there as the sun has set, and then you're going all the way up from that nice orange up to that darker blue as you go further to the higher up into the sky. Now, even as of 6 o'clock, temperatures are still pretty mild. We're at 55 degrees in Lincoln. It's 50 degrees in Beatrice. Still holding on to 53 in Hebron and 56 degrees right now in Central City. As we go hour by hour through the rest of the evening, clear skies and temperatures dropping, but we're not going to drop too much as we go through the overnight hours. Low temperatures falling into the low 30s by tomorrow morning. Still very mild or seasonably mild for early February standards. We should normally be down to right around 18 degrees. We'll be 15 degrees above that to start the day tomorrow. We'll start the day with sunshine, some clouds coming in towards afternoon, turning skies partly cloudy. Notice by noon we're back up into the 50s. 53 degrees in Lincoln, 53 in Beatrice, 55 out towards Grand Island. As we get towards later in the afternoon, our temperatures will keep rising. I think we're talking highs in the upper 50s to near 60 degrees, so just a couple degrees cooler than today. Forecasting 58 in Lincoln, maybe as high as 63 degrees in Hebron, and a high of 57 degrees tomorrow in Columbus. So nice temperature-wise. However, it will be windy as we go through the day, especially late tomorrow morning. Stormcast suggesting by 9-10 o'clock we're going to start to notice our winds gusting 40 miles per hour or up to 40 miles per hour. That will continue on into the early afternoon before the winds begin to ease just a little bit. You'll notice our winds out of the west-northwest as we go through the day tomorrow versus the southwest that we've had today. Now, we've had some very dry weather. So far this year, Lincoln is running nearly 3/4 of an inch below normal. And over the next 7 days, we're not going to get much, or at least the computer model is not suggesting much in the way of precipitation. Only one computer model spitting out any precipitation at all. And it looks like this could continue on at least through early next week, if not even beyond that, as far as not seeing much in the way of rainfall. And because of that, and because of the gusty winds and just the dry conditions we've had, a fire weather watch has now been issued it's going to be in effect tomorrow from noon until 6 for out towards the Tri-Cities and areas to the south and southeast of there, including out towards Hebron. Notice our fire weather index, where our in-house computer model is suggesting where the conditions will not be very good for fires. And you'll notice we're talking about anywhere between possible to high conditions across the south central part of the state, and that will continue into the late afternoon during that same time period. And oh, by the way, the city of Hastings now has issued a burn ban for tomorrow as well. Now, we'll notice warm temperatures stick around here for several days. We'll be in the 50s almost every day this week. When we may start to cool down would be for the start of the weekend. You'll notice this little buckle up to the north in the colors of the temperatures. Watch this slide down here as the cold front comes through here for Saturday. That will be our one day to feel like winter over the next 10 days. Temperatures will only be in the 30s, but we start to rebound very quickly as that colder air moves off to the east. By Valentine's Day, this could in fact be our warmest Valentine's Day in 16 years. Take a look at the 7-day forecast. 52 on Thursday, turning windy again by Friday, and there's that brief shot of cooler air coming our way for Saturday. We're talking a high of 54 degrees on Sunday after a morning low of 13. And as we go towards the start of next week, looking pretty nice again. Valentine's Day, likely the warmest in 16 years for that date, a high of 60, and then temperatures behind that still in the middle to upper 40s. So needless to say, it's going to be very warm at least first half of February, if not even beyond that, and any prospects of snow look non-existent at this point.